Parts of plants. The main parts of a plant. Animals and plants are both living things. Animals have different parts. Do plants also have parts? The root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit are the parts of plants. Observe the plants in your surroundings. Look at their parts. The roots of plants grow in the ground. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the stem. Branches are a part of the stem. Leaves, flowers, and fruits grow on the stem. Now, let us see different types of roots. Different plants have different roots. Try this. We bring vegetables like fenugreek or methi, onion, coriander, radishes. Observe the roots of these plants carefully. The roots of plants are not all alike. Different plants have different stems. Try this. Observe the stems of some plants like the tamarind, eucalyptus, mango, jackfruit, oleander, and coconut. The stems of these plants are also not all alike. The stems of some plants stand upright. Some plants grow tall. The climbers. Try to recall. Can you name some climbing plants you have seen in your surroundings? On what support do they grow? The climber's stem is weak. It cannot stand upright. It takes the support of a nearby pole, a wall, or a tree to grow on. Observe. What forms the support of climbers like the grapevine, jasmine, and gourds? Surface characteristics of plants. Note the difference. Some plants have a rough stem, while some have a smooth stem. Observe the stems of the neem, silk cotton, eucalyptus, peepal, banyan, gulmohar, and mango trees. Which ones have rough stems? Which ones have smooth stems? Important characteristics of leaves. Can you name the plant to which each of these leaves belongs? What are the differences you see in the leaves of different plants? Look carefully at the shape of each leaf, its edge, its stalk, and its veins. You will notice several differences. The edges or the margins of some leaves have been shown here. Observe the margins of some leaves. With your hand, feel the leaves of some plants. The surface of some leaves is smooth. The leaves of some plants are rough. Name some familiar plants and describe the kinds of leaves they have. The mango leaf is long, slender, leathery in texture along with smooth edges. The rose leaf is short, flattened, rough to touch, and has rough outer edges. The variety of plants. Try this. Observe the leaves of the oleander, parijat, colocasia or arbi, and the beetle leaf. Feel them with your hand. Observe the different flowers in your surroundings. Some flowers are colored, while some are white. Some have a fragrance, while some do not. Some flowers are big, while some are small. There is variety in the color and size of flowers. See the flowers in the pictures and tell their color. Now that we have seen the stems, leaves and flowers of various plants, let us move on further and learn about the different fruits. Observe the different fruits in your surroundings. There is a great variety in fruits. We find differences in the color, size and taste of different fruits. Fruits have seeds. The mango has only one seed inside it. There are many seeds inside a watermelon or custard apple. Look at the color, size and seeds of the fruits shown above and tell some of the differences between the fruits. The papaya and watermelon have many seeds. The mango fruit has only one seed.